Hello, this is Invest Library featuring GCash series. And for this video, ipapakita namin ang updated full verification process ng GCash. You will see here the complete process from registration to full verification. And if you're new to this channel and you want to see more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. First, I downloaded the GCash app on my phone. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. And then after ma-install, open natin tong GCash and we need to approve all this permission. Medyo madami-dami yung ina-ask niyang i-access. So, i-allow ko lang lahat to. Then, click register since gagawa pa lang ako ng new account. Then, enter my phone number. By the way, I'm using Smart SIM card right now. Before, Globe lang kasi yung pwede, but inalaw na ni GCash lahat ng network. Then, hintayin lang natin yung authentication code and mag-a-appear na din siya dito. Or kung hindi siya mag-appear dito, enter it manually. And then, click Submit Code. Then, complete lang natin tong lahat ng information, like first name, last name, and so on. And if may referral code, enter it here. By using this code, pwede ka magkaroon ng extra 50 pesos on your GCash wallet. Then, create your mobile PIN. Ito na yung PIN or code na gagamitin mo every time you log into GCash. So, wag na wag mo kakalimutan yung number na ilalagay mo dito. So, nagawa na natin yung account and naka-receive na rin ako ng mga text. So, basically, nakapag-register na tayo. Next step is to fully verify your account. So, let's do that. Let's log in. Then, enter the MPIN. Then, ito na yung loob ng GCash app. Ito yung mga features niya. Then, dito mo makikita yung laman ng GCash mo. Sa bandang baba naman yung mga promo ng GCash. Recently, yung promo nila is free burger or parang discounted ticket sa cinema. So, ngayon, obviously, may access na tayo sa GCash pero hindi sa lahat ng features niya. Katulad ng send money. Kailangan mo munang i-verify yung account mo. So, I'll click this get verified. Bukod sa send money, ito pa yung ibang features na ma-unlock after ng full verification. And to be verified, it says here na it will only take 5 minutes. So, ganda na siya kabilis. Pero depende sa network connection mo, of course. And ito na yung mga requirements. Picture ng valid ID, your selfie. They will ask for other information pa. And lastly, your signature. You can semi-verify your account or fully verify it. Anong kaibahan ng dalawa? So, click natin tong verification levels. For basic level, which is yung pag-register lang, yung ginawa natin kanina, you can cash in, pwede ka magbayad ng bills, mag-load, or magkaroon ng GCash Mastercard. Pwede ka rin mag-virtual pay using Amex. Kapag semi-verified naman, makakapag-send ka na ng money sa ibang tao and makakapag-cash out ka na din. While for fully verified accounts, lahat ng mga features ma-access mo, including yung GCash Invest, G-Credit, and more. And sa transaction limits, may kaibahan din siya. Pinakamataas yung allowed limit for a fully verified account. And here, how to get verified. For semi-verification, hindi mo kailangan ng ID. Pero valid lang yung account mo or semi-verified lang yung account mo for 1 year. While for fully verified account, you need to provide, or if you want your account to be fully verified, you need to provide a picture of your ID and you will have access sa lahat ng features forever. So let's go back and click this get fully verified. Then, ito yung mga IDs. If you will use Humid ID, ito yung SSS or TIN ID, PhilHealth, or driver's license, mas mabilis yung pag-approve ng account. Pwede rin naman yung ibang ID like passport or student ID. You can browse it here. Pero yun nga, mas mabilis pag itong mga ID na to, yung like yung UMID TIN, PhilHealth, and driver's license yung gagamitin mo. So, click ko tong UMID ID. And then, scan ko lang yung ID ko. And then, after mag-scan, selfie naman. And after provide additional information, and lastly, yung signature. And click this accept and continue. Then wait lang tayo ng notification or feedback nila for approval. Bali 12:40 AM ko natapos yung pag-verify ng account. And then after 3 minutes, 12:43 AM, nakuha ko na yung confirmation through text na fully verified na yung account ko. So ngayon, i-test ko yung GCash, and here you can see na pwede na akong mag-send money. So that's it for now. Hopefully nakatulong tong video na to. Soon I will create videos about GCash Mastercard, GCash Invest, GCredit, and more. So if you want to be updated, please subscribe. And shoutout sa mga first subscribers namin. Sobrang salamat po. And this is Lu from Invest Library. Until next time po. Bye-bye.